What is Backbone? Backbone is a library for writing clean, structured, maintainable, and testable JavaScript code. Hi, my name is Mosh Hamedani, and in this course, I'll take you on a step-by-step journey to learn Backbone from novice to ninja. You don't need any prior knowledge of Backbone. Only basic understanding of JavaScript and jQuery is enough to take this course. We'll start with the big picture. You'll learn the building blocks of Backbone and what they're used for. Then I will show you a real-world example of an application built with Backbone and explain how these building blocks work together in action. Next, we start learning Backbone in a practical, hands-on way from scratch. In every section and in every lecture, you'll learn something new about Backbone. Right from the beginning, we get our hands dirty in the code. Throughout the lectures, I touch on some popular websites such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Bitly, and Foursquare and tell you how you can build something like them with Backbone. At the end of every section, you'll get a cheat sheet to quickly review all the things you have learned in that section, plus a mini project or assignment to put what you have learned in practice. If you have any questions along the way, I'm here to help you. Once we cover the fundamentals of Backbone, then we'll get into the challenges of building real-world applications, such as unit testing and modularizing your code. I will introduce you to two popular libraries, Require.js and Jasmine. And finally, we'll build an application with Backbone from zero. I've been a web developer for the past 14 years. Along the way, I will share with you lots of tips from my professional experience with the aim to make you a better web developer. I will share with you tips on object-oriented programming, clean coding, productivity, usability, HTML, CSS, a bit of security, and many other things. So by the end of this course, you will have a good and in-depth understanding of Backbone and how to use it in building real-world applications. If you take this course now, you will get lifetime access to course materials and upcoming lectures. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you. This course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you got nothing to lose and a lot to learn. Just take the course, follow the lectures, put what you learned in practice, and if you're not happy, you can get your money back. So do you want to learn Backbone from scratch and start writing clean, maintainable, structured, and testable JavaScript code? Then take this course now and let's get started.